Hey, so if you want to add videos and multiple photos to one Instagram story, let me show you how you can do it after 2026 update. So for that, first you have to open up your Instagram app and go to your story. Now here you have to choose your video first. So just go to the video album and select your video you just want. Next, tap on the sticker or the trigger icon and select the photo sticker option. And here all your photo will appear. Now you can pick any photo you want to add on top of your video. Once added, you can resize the photo, change its shape, place it anywhere on the video. And you can easily repeat this to add multiple photos, arranging them in a way that makes your story really eye-catching and perfect. After finishing, you can easily download it and share your story directly from here. And that's it. I hope this guide helped you a lot. Make a like and subscribe for more Instagram tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.